much, y'all. And this is my new friend. What is your name?
Myles.
This is Myles, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Myles, you wanna show the way this works? We got like a set list up here, but it's just suggestions. Who cares about that? This is our night, right, Lincoln? Right? Okay, Myles' question is, can I play the sound John M. Perkins Blues with you?
Yeah, buddy!
Sounds like that's a yes. Now the question is,
What do you play, Myles?
what instrument do you play?
What was that?
What instrument do you play?
Guitar.
Thank goodness. If you're gonna say drums, I was gonna be like, oh goodness. What? Okay, well, do you wanna play my guitar over here? Need a guitar pick? Yeah, there you go. All right. So, Myles, this is, do you need any time to warm up? You need to like do some scales or something? You feel good? All right. I need some love from my new friend Myles up here. The streets below, and you singing, oh, Swimmers made a sound, still running underground. Words like a silent flood, yeah, we run as thick as blood. Can you hear it rise up from the crowd? You can't shout it loud. Can you hear it now? This is the sound of a heartbeat. This is the sound from the discontented mouth of a running nation. We are the voice of making now. Can you hear me? This is the sound from the desperation bound from our own collision. We are the voice of making now. The static comes alive. Beneath the broken sky, John M. Perkins said it right. Said it right. Love is the final fight. Ain't you singing? Let it ride above. There is no sound louder than love. This is the sound of a heartbeat. This is the sound from a discontented mouth of a running nation. We are the voice of making now. Can you hear me? This is the sound of a desperation bound from our own collision. We are the voice of making. We got a new band member, y'all. Sing it out like this. Whoa. I'm singing, whoa. Let justice roll. and gentlemen. I mean, we've seen a lot of these signs over the years. And sometimes it's someone who's not very good. Myles, you were incredible. That was amazing. One more round of applause for our new friend, Myles. Yeah. This is Roberts on the electric guitar, y'all. I will say, I think Myles, he's got a solid jump right there.
Good jump. I had to practice a lot more than that.
You already met my little brother Tim playing the bass, y'all. I'd like to send this one out to anyone who don't you need that taste of food? It don't take no education, and all that you need is that invitation. It's alright, making you feel alright, alright. Just how it feels, yeah. Feeling and touching now. Just how it some love from my new friend Myles up here. Myles, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, we've seen a lot of these signs over the years. And sometimes it's someone who's not very good. Myles, you were incredible. That was amazing.